Think it's too late to plant in August? Not at all. This month is actually one of the most overlooked yet perfect times to give your garden a fresh burst of beauty before autumn sets in. Many gardeners assume summer planting ends in July, but August offers unique advantages, especially for ornamental flowers and garden plants. By this time of year, the soil is warm, which helps new plants establish their roots more quickly. The slightly shorter days and cooler evenings also create less stress on young blooms compared to the peak of summer heat. And here's the best part. Planting in August means you can enjoy late-season color that carries gracefully into fall, bridging the gap between summer's brightness and autumn's rich, golden tones. Whether you're looking to refresh tired borders, fill in bare spots, or simply extend the life of your garden, August planting can completely transform your outdoor space. From fast-growing flowers that deliver instant charm to hardy perennials that prepare your garden for next year, the choices are plentiful. With just a little effort, you can enjoy a vibrant, flourishing garden that feels alive well into the cooler months. Part 1. Annual flowers to plant in August. When August rolls around, many gardeners assume the season for annual flowers has passed. In reality, this month is an excellent opportunity to refresh garden beds, add late-season pops of color, and even prepare for a stunning autumn display. Annuals planted in August grow quickly in the warm soil, and with cooler nights approaching, many thrive beautifully until the first frost. Here are some of the best choices to bring instant charm and energy to your garden. Number 1. Marigolds. Marigolds are one of the most dependable flowers you can plant in August. Their hardy nature allows them to flourish in both containers and garden beds, even when other blooms begin to fade. With their bright orange, yellow, and gold tones, marigolds add warmth and cheer to any outdoor space. Beyond their beauty, they serve a functional purpose. These flowers are known to help repel common garden pests like aphids and nematodes. This makes them an excellent companion for vegetable patches or areas you want to keep naturally protected. Number 2. Petunia. If you're looking for instant impact, petunias are a perfect choice. They come in endless variety of colors and patterns, making them versatile for all types of garden styles. Petunias do especially well in borders, hanging baskets, and containers, where their cascading flowers can spill over edges for a dramatic effect. Planting them in August ensures that they'll keep producing vibrant blooms well into the fall. Choose trailing varieties for baskets or compact ones for filling small gaps in beds. With regular deadheading and feeding, petunias will reward you with a constant show of color. Number 3. Pansies and violas. August is an excellent time to plant pansies and violas, particularly if you live in regions where nights are starting to cool. These cheerful flowers love mild weather and are ideal for bridging the transition between summer and fall. Their wide range of colors, from soft pastels to deep jewel tones, makes them incredibly versatile for seasonal displays. Both pansies and violas are also cold-tolerant, meaning they'll continue brightening your garden long after more tender plants have faded. Consider planting them in borders or containers where they can be easily admired up close. Number 4. Zinnias. For gardeners craving bold, vibrant color late in the season, zinnias are unbeatable. They are fast growers, so even if planted in August, they can quickly establish themselves and deliver a stunning display. Available in an array of bright shades, zinnias are perfect for cutting gardens, pollinator patches, or sunny borders. Their resilience in hot conditions makes them a reliable choice, and they continue to bloom heavily until frost. Plus, butterflies adore zinnias, making them a wonderful addition for anyone wanting to attract pollinators into their garden. Number 5. Sunflowers, dwarf and medium varieties. Nothing captures the joy of summer like a sunflower. While giant varieties take longer to mature, dwarf and medium sunflowers are excellent options for August planting. These compact types grow quickly and bloom in just a few weeks, adding cheerful yellow faces to your garden as summer winds down. Perfect for containers, small beds, or lining pathways, sunflowers provide not only visual appeal, but also seeds that attract birds later in the season. They're an ideal choice if you want a burst of optimism and natural charm in your late summer landscape. In short, annual flowers like marigolds, petunias, pansies, violas, zinnias, and sunflowers can breathe new life into your garden in August. With their quick growth, resilience, and brilliant colors, they're the perfect way to extend the vibrancy of your outdoor space well into autumn. Part 2. Perennials and shrubs for August planting. Perennials and shrubs form the backbone of a thriving garden, offering reliable structure and long-term beauty. Unlike annuals, which live for just one season, these plants return year after year, rewarding your efforts with lasting displays. August is an ideal month to plant them. The soil remains warm, helping roots establish quickly, while the slightly cooler nights ease stress on new growth. By adding these plants now, you can enjoy vibrant color this season and create a stronger foundation for next year's garden. 1. Chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums, often called mums, are the classic choice for fall gardens. With their wide range of colors, rich burgundy, golden yellow, burnt orange, and pure white, they create a festive autumnal atmosphere. Planting them in August ensures that they'll settle in and be ready to burst into bloom as cooler weather arrives. Perfect for containers, borders, or front steps, mums provide weeks of color just when many other plants begin to fade. In some regions, they can even overwinter, returning to brighten gardens year after year. 2. Hibiscus. If you want a bold, tropical statement, hibiscus is a fantastic option. These plants love warmth, making August the perfect time for them to thrive. With their large, showy flowers in shades of red, pink, yellow, and orange, hibiscus adds exotic flair to your garden. Many varieties bloom continuously through the warm months, ensuring plenty of color until frost. Whether planted in the ground or in large decorative pots, hibiscus can transform your late summer garden into a tropical retreat. 3. Bougainvillea. For gardeners in hot climates, bougainvillea is a stunning shrub to consider. Known for its vivid papery bracts in magenta, orange, or purple, bougainvillea thrives in intense sunlight and heat. Planting in August allows it to settle in while conditions are still favorable. It's especially striking when trained along trellises, fences, or pergolas, creating cascading waves of color. While it requires frost protection in colder regions, in warm areas it can bloom nearly year-round, making it a long-lasting showstopper. 4. Geraniums. Geraniums are another excellent choice for August planting. Known for their resilience and long blooming season, these plants add charm to pots, window boxes, and garden beds. Their clusters of pink, red, or white flowers brighten spaces effortlessly, and they tolerate both sunny and partially shaded conditions. Planting them now ensures continued flowering well into autumn. Geraniums also require minimal maintenance, making them a favorite for both new and experienced gardeners. 5. Roses. Roses may be timeless classics, but August is more than just planting season. It's also the perfect time to prune and refresh existing bushes. With proper care, many varieties will respond with new flushes of blooms that last through early fall. For those adding new rose plants, the warm soil of August helps roots establish before winter. From compact patio roses to dramatic climbing varieties, there's a rose for every style of garden. Its fragrance, Elegance and versatility make it an enduring favorite.
By planting chrysanthemums, hibiscus, bougainvillea, geraniums, and roses in August, you're not only adding immediate beauty, but also building a resilient, colorful foundation for the seasons ahead.
Part 3. Ornamental garden plants and greenery. Flowers often steal the spotlight in the garden, but greenery and foliage plants are what truly give a space depth, texture, and character. Ornamental plants add structure and contrast, creating a lush backdrop that makes blooms pop, while also carrying visual interest even when flowers fade. August is a great month to introduce foliage-rich plants because the warm soil allows roots to establish, and many thrive in the shifting balance of late summer sun and shade. Here are 5 excellent ornamental plants to consider. 1. Ferns. Ferns are a timeless choice for shady areas, instantly adding lushness and a woodland feel to the garden. Their feathery fronds create soft texture, making them ideal for filling in bare corners where flowering plants may struggle. In August, planting ferns helps them settle before cooler weather, ensuring steady growth. They thrive in moisture-rich soil and pair beautifully with hostas, or shade-loving flowers. Ferns are also versatile. Whether tucked into borders, grown in pots, or used as ground cover, they provide year-round elegance with minimal care. 2. Coleus. If you want bold, eye-catching foliage, Coleus is the perfect plant for late summer interest. Known for its striking color combinations, ranging from lime green and deep burgundy to vivid pink and gold, Coleus offers dramatic visual appeal even without flowers. August planting is ideal, as Coleus thrives in warm weather and continues to add vibrancy well into fall. They work beautifully in containers, edging, or as statement pieces in borders. With regular pinching back, they maintain a bushy, compact form that maximizes their colorful display. 3. Caladiums. Caladiums are tropical beauties that bring a splash of artistry to any garden. Their heart-shaped leaves are painted with bold patterns in shades of red, pink, white, and green, instantly brightening shady spots. Planting caladiums in August ensures they'll flourish through the warm late summer days and into early fall. They thrive in containers, hanging baskets, and shaded beds, making them versatile accents. While they are not frost-hardy, caladium bulbs can be lifted and stored for replanting next year, giving you long-term value. 4. Hostas. Hostas are a staple for shaded gardens, loved for their large, textured leaves that range from deep green to variegated patterns of cream, gold, and blue. August is a great time to plant or divide hostas, as the soil warmth encourages strong root development. They create a dramatic effect when mass planted, filling shady areas with elegance and structure. Hostas are low maintenance and long-lasting, returning bigger and better each year. Their leafy presence also pairs wonderfully with ferns, hydrangeas, or other shade dwellers. 5. Ornamental grasses. For movement, texture, and height, ornamental grasses are unmatched. Planting them in August allows them to settle in before autumn winds show off their swaying beauty. Varieties like fountain grass, maiden grass, and blue fescue add architectural interest and complement both flowering and foliage plants. Their seed heads often persist into winter, providing visual appeal even in the colder months. Ornamental grasses are adaptable to many soil types, require little maintenance, and are perfect for adding a natural flowing look to borders, pathways, or mixed beds. Together, ferns, coleus, caladiums, hostas, and ornamental grasses bring balance, texture, and year-round beauty to your garden. Planting them in August ensures your outdoor space looks rich, layered, and full of life, even beyond the flowering season. Part 4. Regional considerations. When it comes to August planting, success largely depends on the climate you live in. Different regions support different flowers and plants, so tailoring your choices ensures stronger growth and longer-lasting beauty. Tropical and subtropical regions, India, Pakistan, and Indonesia. In hot, humid climates, heat-tolerant plants shine. Bougainvillea thrives with its vibrant papery bracts, while hibiscus delivers tropical-style blooms that flourish in warmth. Marigolds also perform exceptionally well, offering cheerful color and natural pest-repelling properties, making them ideal for year-round gardening in these regions. Temperate regions, Europe, USA. For areas with warm days and cooler nights, August is the perfect time to plant hardy ornamentals. Chrysanthemums prepared to deliver classic autumn color, while pansies and violas thrive in cooler evenings, ensuring fresh blooms into fall. Zinnias, with their fast growth and bright display, keep gardens vibrant well into the season's end. Cooler and colder regions. In areas where frost arrives early, gardeners can extend the season with container planting. Petunias and geraniums add bursts of late summer color, while ferns provide lush greenery. Container gardening allows flexibility. You can move plants indoors or to sheltered spaces as temperatures drop, ensuring beauty lasts as long as possible. Part 5. Quick flower gardening tips for August. Planting in August may feel like a race against time, but with the right care, your flowers can thrive beautifully well into autumn. Here are a few simple but effective tips to maximize your gardening success this month. 1. Soil preparation. Healthy plants start with healthy soil. Before planting, enrich your beds with compost or well-rotted organic matter. This improves drainage, boosts fertility, and helps young roots establish quickly in the warm soil. 2. Watering wisely. August heat can be tough on new plants. Water deeply in the morning to give roots the moisture they need while reducing the risk of evaporation. Avoid light, frequent watering. Deep soaks encourage stronger root systems that can withstand late summer dryness. 3. Mulching. A layer of organic mulch around your plants keeps the soil cool, conserves water, and prevents weeds from competing for nutrients. In hot regions, mulching is especially important to protect roots from excessive heat. 4. Deadheading. Don't let faded blooms linger. By removing spent flowers, you signal the plant to produce more blossoms instead of focusing energy on seed production. This simple step extends flowering well into the season. 5. Container gardening. If space or climate is a concern, containers are a fantastic solution. They allow flexibility for patios, balconies, or even moving plants to sheltered spots as the weather changes. Containers also make late-season color easy to manage and refresh. With these quick tips, your August plantings will stay healthy, vibrant, and ready to bring joy all the way into fall.
August is a transition month, but it's also one of the best times to give your garden a fresh burst of life. With the right mix of annuals, perennials, and ornamental greenery, you can enjoy vibrant color and lush texture that lasts well into autumn. Whether you're planting cheerful marigolds, classic chrysanthemums, or elegant ornamental grasses, this is your chance to make your garden truly shine. Which flowers will you be planting this August? Share your favorites in the comments. And if you love gardening tips like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more weekly secrets.